Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you have copied the new terms. Yesterday I have given you new terms of India, the northern plains. Typed matter I sent yesterday due to some disturbance in the neighborhood. I could not teach you yesterday. That's why I gave the printed matter, typed and sent you. So, same thing today we are going to read. So, I want you all to keep your notebook in front of you, run a finger on the line, and then read along with me. Yesterday we did not do any drilling work. So, today we are going to do that now. Yesterday, due to some work in the neighborhood, lot of noise was there. So, I could not teach you yesterday. That's why I sent a typed matter. The same new terms we are going to learn now. Before going to learn, let us know about the lesson India, the Northern Plains. See, we have learnt about the physical divisions of India. The northern mountains, northern plains, great western desert, Deccan plateau or southern plateau, coastal plains and islands. These are the six physical divisions in which India is completely divided based on the climatic condition, rainfall, etc. Okay, that's why temperature, rainfall, climatic condition, completely, humidity, everything. Based on these things, whole country is divided into six. Out of those six, we have already learnt about the northern mountains, the Himalayas, in last month. So now we are going to learn about the northern plains. Next to northern mountains, we have got northern plains. So look here. This part all is northern mountains. These all seven sisters, some parts of Bihar, Jharkhand I can tell, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, they all come under the northern mountains. Now next is northern plains. Okay, next is northern plains. So Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. come under the northern plains area. Okay, Punjab and Haryana, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. are located in the northern plains. So, just the northern plains is at the bottom of northern mountains. Here it is the very fertile part of our country. Fertile means rich soil which is very good for growing crops. Why it is so is our lesson. Why it is so is our lesson. So northern plains are very good area for growing crops in our country. So northern plains are sometimes called the football of India also. All types of food grains are grown in this area. So we are going to learn, after learning the new terms, we are going to learn about the location, climate, the states which are located in the northern plains, lifestyle of the people, which rivers flow in this area, and what crops are grown here, which industries are there. Everything we are going to learn in this lesson, the northern plains. So before going to that, once I gave already yesterday the list of new terms which I have selected from your lesson. So today we are going to learn the same thing with spellings. You are not going to write them again. You are not writing them again. Yesterday already you have written them 2 times, I hope. So you don't need to write again. Just we are reading them. You keep the book open, look into the book and look at the board, and I am repeating the spellings. You too all repeat after me with the concentration so that you can learn the spellings. Once you learn the spellings, you can read today evening the lesson also on your own, and at least some part of it you can understand. Okay, so let us start it, children. Be ready to read the new terms of this lesson. First one is fertile. Fertile, fertile. Fertile, fertile. Fertile, fertile. Fertile, fertile. Drained, second one. Drained, drained. If you remove D, it becomes rained. Understand? So, if you add D, it becomes drained. If you add T, it becomes a trained. Drained means washed or irrigated, supplied, water supply, etc. Okay? So, drained. drained, drained. drained, drained. drained, drained. drained, drained. Next, Gangetic plain. Gangetic, Gangetic, plain, plain, Gangetic plain. Gangetic, Gangetic, plain, Gangetic plain. Gangetic, Gangetic, plain, Gangetic plain. Gangetic, Gangetic, plain, Gangetic plain. Originate, originate. Originate, originate. Originate, originate. Originate, originate. Next, peninsular. Pen, pen, in, sular, sular. So, peninsular. You can break and learn, it will be easy for you. Peninsular, peninsular. Peninsular, peninsular. Peninsular, peninsular. Peninsular, peninsular. Plateau, plateau. Plateau, plateau. Plateau, plateau. Plateau, plateau. Alluvium. 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 Abundant. 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 Basin. 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 Next, 10th, tributaries. 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 Cultivation. 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 CULTIVATION, cultivation. IRRIGATE, irrigate. IRRIGATE, irrigate. IRRIGATE, irrigate. IRRIGATE, irrigate. GENERATE, generate. GENERATE, generate. GENERATE, generate. GENERATE, generate. ELECTRICITY, electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. Splits, splits. SPLITS, splits. SPLITS, splits. SPLITS, splits. SPLITS, splits. DELTA, delta. DEALTA, delta. DELTA, delta. DELTA, delta. Tractors, TRACTORS. Tractors, TRACTORS. Tractors, TRACTORS. Tractors, TRACTORS. Tractors. SCATTERED, scattered. SCATTERED, scattered. SCATTERED, scattered. SCATTERED, scattered. MONU, MENTS, mens, monuments. MONU, MENTS, monuments. MONU, MENTS, monuments. MONU, MENTS, monuments. MONU, MENTS, monuments. POPULOUS, populous. POPULOUS, populous. POPULOUS, populous. POPULOUS, populous. So these are the 20 words I gave you yesterday in the list, new terms list. I told you to write 2 times. I hope you have written. And today only reading part we did. You don't need to write. I gave the introduction of the lesson, then we read the words 4 to 5 times each. And I hope you can learn the spellings. This will help you to read the lesson. So today you please read the lesson and understand at least some part of it. Tomorrow I will start with the explanation. So here we are stopping. Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow.